Hi, I'm Jerica, the Graphic Design Manager here at JDS Industries. I'm here to tell you about the retail catalogs and websites JDS has made available for you. These resources will help you reach more customers and successfully grow your business. Let's take a look. A total of 8 consumer-focused catalogs and their corresponding websites are available. 7 are part of the Premier line. These include personalized gifts, lasered leatherette, crystal and glass, the corporate collection, acrylic awards, sport and academic awards, and custom color, which features items that can be sublimated. The 8th catalog and website promotes our line of Polar Camel high endurance drinkware. Each catalog and website is private labeled. In other words, this means that they're unbranded. There's no reference to JDS, so you can definitely make these your own. If you're a customer of JDS, you can order these retail catalogs. They start as low as 69 cents per catalog. Go to jdsindustries.com and click into the dealer section. Use the part numbers you see on the screen to place your order. Remember, you can use your sample dollars to purchase these catalogs. To view the Premier websites, go to jdsindustries.com and click on the link labeled Premier Retail Line. All of the websites except Custom Color will display retail prices if you add a slash and the letter P after .com. You can link to any of these retail websites from your site. The great thing about it is that these sites are customizable, so you can put your company name and contact info on it. To learn how, click on the marketing link on the JDS Order website. This brings us to our Retail Marketing Made Easy page. You can find instructions in the How to Link details under each retail catalog. Watch the tutorial video or follow the instructions. If you have any questions about our retail catalogs or websites and how you can use them, please give us a call at the number below. Thanks for watching.